In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where your Samsung TV is turning itself on and off. So if your TV is just repeatedly turning itself on and off, there's actually a couple of things we can do to go and fix this issue. Now, the first step is you just need to go and perform a power cycle on your television. And this is really easy to do. We just need to power off the television like so. And then you need to come over to the main power supply and locate the cable that runs from your television to the power. Once you've located the power cord, we're then just going to unplug it from the wall, and you're going to leave this unplugged for around about 15 seconds. At the same time of this being unplugged, we're going to come round to the physical television, and you need to go and locate the power button on your actual television. Now, this can sometimes be located underneath the Samsung logo, and other times this can be located on the back of the TV, depending on your model. So mine's located just under the logo here, and what we're going to do is hold down this button for around about 10 seconds, and this will drain any residual power that may be left in the TV. So once you've done this, you can try plugging back in the cable to the main power supply, and you can try turning on your television to check to see if that's now solved your issue. Now, if that's still not working, the next step is to go and remove any devices that you may have connected to your TV. So this could be gaming consoles or HDMI cables, basically anything that you may have connected to your Samsung television. Just go and unplug these from the back like so. So I'm going to remove these HDMI cables, and once again, you can try repowering on your TV and checking if that solves your issue. Now, the last step is just to check the energy settings on the television, and we can do that by grabbing the TV remote control and then just clicking on the settings button. From the settings page, scroll all the way down to general, and then we're going to scroll across and select power management and saving. Now, from the power and energy settings, just click on OK, and then we need to scroll down and make sure screen saver is turned off, and also the auto power off feature, make sure this is turned off and disabled. And once you've done this, you can close out of the settings page, and once again, you can check to see if that's now solved your issue. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.